Welcome to this session. In this lesson, we'll learn how to solve a simple radical equation by removing the square root and isolating the variable. Step 1. Understanding the problem. We begin with the equation. The square root of x plus 5 equals 8. Step 2. Eliminate the square root. To eliminate the square root, we square both sides of the equation. Squaring the left side cancels the square root. And 8 squared gives 64. Step 3. Isolate the variable. Now we isolate by subtracting 5 from both sides. 64 minus 5 gives us 59. Step 4. Verify the solution. We verify our answer by substituting the current value of x back into the original equation. This will be square root of 59 plus 5 equals square root of 64, which is 8. This means the solution works. See you in the next one.